Hi everyone, Summer here over at the Dim Sum Studio, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to work up this crochet beanie. Now, don't get mad at me for making cool or cold weather crochet items in the peak of the summer season. If you are like me, however, and you are working up a stash of crochet beanies, crochet scarves, or even blankets to donate to charity for the colder seasons, this pattern might be for you. So grab your yarn, grab your hooks, and let's get crocheting. Since the beanie is worked up with worsted weight yarn and a 5mm hook, it can usually be worked up in about maybe an hour or 2 hours, depending on how quickly you crochet. It is worked up with simple stitches. It is just chains, half double crochets, single crochets, and slip stitches. And it also utilizes a technique to create a nice tapered top so that there's no extra fabric. For today's project, I'm going to be using Red Heart Super Saver in the colorway Medium Time. I also have a 5mm hook, and for the end of your project, you'll need a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle to weave in your ends. We are going to start by making a slip knot and chaining 37. Working in the second chain from the hook, we are going to be making 32 half double crochets, 2 single crochets, and 2 slip stitches for a total of 36 stitches. I just finished up my first row. I have a total of 36 stitches, which are comprised of 32 half double crochets, 2 single crochets, and 2 slip stitches. For row 2, we are going to chain 1 and turn our work, and the rest of the hat is worked in the back loop only of every single stitch. I've chained 1, and I'm going to be doing basically the exact same stitches that I did for row 1, but in reverse. So we'll start off with 2 slip stitches, followed by 2 single crochets, and then 32 half double crochets. I really love the way that this hat is worked up and the way that it's constructed, because it's worked in half double crochets for the body of the hat. It's worked up really quickly. So if you need a crochet gift for someone that you have to work up in less than a day, this is the perfect hat for you, or the perfect project for you. I just finished up row 2, so I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. And for row 3, we are going to be working 32 half double crochets and 2 single crochets, but we're going to skip the last 2 slip stitches and pick those up on another row. All right, I'm at the end of row 3 and I'm completing my 2 single crochets but skipping the last 2 slip stitches. When we pick this up later in another row, this is going to create the taper at the top of the hat that leaves no extra fabric at the top. For row 4, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work and work 2 single crochets followed by 32 half double crochets. Row 5, chain 1 and turn your work and start with 32 half double crochets followed by 2 single crochets. Now it's time to work into the 2 slip stitches that we skipped from the previous row. I'm going to insert my hook into the horizontal bar that is the chain 1 from the previous row, as well as the back loop only of the first slip stitch. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3, and then slip stitch into the back loop of the next slip stitch. This is what it should look like so far. And we're going to finish up this row repeat by chaining 1, turning our work, working 2 slip stitches, 2 single crochets, and 32 half double crochets. I just finished up row 6. To finish up the rest of the hat, you are going to repeat rows 3 through 6 until your hat can wrap comfortably around your head with just a tiny bit of stretch. So I will see you guys back once I have finished up my hat and we will seam it up together. So I finished the end of my hat and I have a total of 46 rows from start to finish, and I have a tape measure here. Without stretching out the beanie, it measures roughly about 21.5 inches, which is the perfect circumference for an adult size beanie. On the medium side, if you want it to be a little bit larger, you are welcome to chain a little bit more here, or you can do one more row repeat from rows 3 through 6. You can seam up this beanie in a few different ways. One of them is to use a tapestry needle or a darning needle and to sew the ends together like this, or you can crochet the ends together with slip stitches, and that's what I'm going to teach you how to do right now. If you're a right-handed crocheter, your hook will be over on your left. You're going to fold the hat in half by taking the right side and bringing it directly over to the left. Then flip it over so your hook is back on your right. We're going to chain 1. And we are going to be working on the back loop only of the front side of the hat and under both loops of the foundation chain. So for the first stitch, enter into the back loop of the front panel or the front side and under both loops of the back and make a loose slip stitch. We're going to continue to do this all the way down the edge of the hat until we get to the very last stitch. You also want to maintain a loose tension when it comes to seaming up the beanie so that it doesn't tug and change the shape of the beanie itself. You want it to still have that nice movement and stretch, just like the rest of it. When you get to the top of your hat, you're going to chain 1, leaving a 6-inch tail, trim your yarn, and pull your yarn through to secure. Thread a tapestry needle and start closing up the top of your beanie. I like to catch the horizontal loops that represent the chain 1 from the rows. This makes it a little bit smoother and a little bit cleaner when you cinch up the top. Then when you get back to the beginning, you're going to tie these 2 strings into a knot to make sure that they stay nice and secure. Just double or triple knot it. Once you've woven in your ends, flip your hat inside out. And this is what it looks like. This beanie is stretchy, it is soft, it's got a very nice yet simple texture, works up really fast, and you can wear it one of 2 ways. Leave it like this for a slightly slouchy look, or roll up the bottom to have a nice little brim. I hope that you guys enjoyed this beanie tutorial. If you did, like this video, leave a comment below, and maybe think about subscribing to my channel for more crochet content. Until next time, bye guys!